列车结合了
Oh, good.
Yes,
we got the right one.
线、西捷地铁2号线、
This camera keeps going off anyway.
I'll get mine out. Take some.
I think we're going to go too fast.
Now it's in the back.
Too fast.
That's why the video will be better.
500 kilometers would be 300.
Oh,
Oh, if it's going
105.
Times twice since today.
Station in the west, and the ends at Pudong International Airport in the east. The total length is 30 kilometers. Please keep your valuables during the train operation. Wish you a good journey.
I think when I used to fly that, it was right around 160. And we're already at 180.
bullet train. Faster than a speeding bullet.
Nobody knows. Everybody was on a bullet train.
I know it.
Can you focus on it?
Yeah. 220. 230. We're going 108 miles an hour.
Why is this taking pictures?
There's kilometers. Here's Terry on the bullet train. Wait, I can't focus. Hello, Terry.
Hello, I'm on the bullet train going to the airport in Shanghai to go home. I was just saying zoom in.
This stop right here. Oh, we stole it short this way. Come on. Going to the airport. Oh my god. Still going up. We're at 431 kilometers. 431. 429.
Take 431 times 162 to get the miles per hour. All the pictures are taken of that.
We're at 431. Now we're slowing down a little bit. Oh my god, we're tilting. Oh my
That
god,
is
we're
way
tipping. We're so tilting. That's not cool. That's scary.
That is
It's like an amusement ride. Oh my god.
It's faster than an amusement ride.
Yeah.
Look, there's planes taking off from the airport.